Welcome to the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. We are Easy Driver. Thank you for visiting. We are very happy for your visit. We work hard to provide you great content for your automotive health and safety. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos. Is your car losing power? Today, we'll explore a critical topic for car owners: signs that indicate your vehicle might be losing power. From engine performance to warning signs, stay tuned as we uncover 8 important signs you should never ignore. 8 signs your car is losing power. Is your car exhibiting signs of sluggish acceleration, a lack of power when climbing hills, or difficulty reaching higher speeds? These could be indicators that your vehicle is losing power. It's crucial to recognize these symptoms early on to address any underlying issues and ensure your car's optimal performance. In this video, we will explore 5 common signs that your car is losing power and delve into the potential causes behind these issues. By understanding these warning signs, you can take proactive steps to maintain your car's power and efficiency. Understanding power loss. In your car, common symptoms of power loss. If you've noticed your car struggling to accelerate or experiencing a decrease in overall power, these could be signs of power loss. Other common symptoms include engine misfires, hesitation when pressing the gas pedal, and a decrease in fuel efficiency. These issues can be frustrating and may even lead to safety concerns on the road. Causes of power loss in your car. Several factors can contribute to power loss in a vehicle. Clogged fuel filters, dirty air filters, malfunctioning spark plugs, and a failing fuel pump can all lead to decreased engine performance. Additionally, issues with the exhaust system, such as a clogged catalytic converter, or problems with the ignition system can also result in power loss. It's essential to address these issues promptly to prevent further damage to your car. Diagnosing power loss issues. Diagnosing power loss problems often requires a systematic approach. Start by checking for any error codes using a diagnostic scanner. This can provide valuable insights into potential issues with the engine or other components. Additionally, inspect the air and fuel filters for any signs of clogging or dirt accumulation. A thorough examination of the ignition system, including the spark plugs and ignition coils, can also help pinpoint the source of power loss. If the issue persists, consulting a professional mechanic for a comprehensive diagnosis is recommended. Signs of engine misfire. Rough idling and vibrations. When your car's engine is misfiring, you may notice that the vehicle idles roughly or vibrates excessively while at a standstill. This can be felt through the steering wheel and the entire car, causing discomfort for the driver and passengers. The engine's combustion process is disrupted, leading to the uneven performance that manifests as rough idling and vibrations. Decreased acceleration and power. Another sign of engine misfire is a noticeable decrease in acceleration and power. When you press the accelerator, the car may respond sluggishly, taking longer than usual to reach higher speeds. This is due to the irregular firing of the engine cylinders, resulting in reduced propulsion and overall performance. Engine misfires can also lead to poor fuel economy, causing the vehicle to consume more fuel than usual for the distance traveled. The inefficient combustion process can result in wasted fuel, ultimately impacting the car's overall efficiency and increasing the frequency of visits to the gas station. By paying attention to these signs of engine misfire, you can address potential issues promptly and prevent further damage to your car's engine and essential components. Signs of fuel system issues. Difficulty starting the engine. When your car's fuel system is experiencing problems, one of the most common signs is difficulty starting the engine. If you find that the engine takes longer to start than usual or requires multiple attempts before it turns over, there may be an issue with the fuel delivery or combustion process. This could be attributed to a faulty fuel pump, clogged fuel filter, or issues with the fuel injectors. If left unresolved, this issue can lead to further power loss and decreased fuel efficiency. Stalling or hesitation while driving. Another red flag indicating potential fuel system issues is experiencing stalling or hesitation while driving. If your vehicle suddenly loses power or hesitates during acceleration, it could be a sign of inadequate fuel supply to the engine. This can be caused by a range of issues such as a failing fuel pump, dirty fuel injectors, or a clogged fuel filter. Ignoring these symptoms can result in dangerous driving conditions and further damage to the engine. Fuel smell inside or outside the car. A distinct fuel smell inside or outside the car should not be overlooked, as it can be an indicator of fuel system problems. If you notice a strong gasoline odor either inside the cabin or around the exterior of the vehicle, there may be a leak in the fuel system. This could be due to a damaged fuel line, malfunctioning fuel injectors, or a deteriorated fuel tank. Addressing this issue promptly is crucial for both safety and preventing potential power loss and engine damage. By recognizing these signs of fuel system issues, you can take proactive measures to address the underlying problems and prevent further loss of power in your car. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to these symptoms can help keep your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. Signs of exhaust system problems. When your car's exhaust system is not functioning properly, it can directly impact the vehicle's power and performance. It's crucial to be aware of the signs that indicate potential issues with the exhaust system. Loud exhaust noise. One of the most noticeable signs of exhaust system problems is a loud noise coming from the exhaust. This noise is often described as a deep rumbling or hissing sound, indicating a potential leak or damage within the exhaust system. If you notice an unusually loud exhaust noise, it's important to have your vehicle inspected by a professional mechanic. Decreased engine performance. A decline in engine performance, such as sluggish acceleration or difficulty maintaining speed, can also be linked to exhaust system issues. The exhaust system plays a critical role in expelling gases from the engine, and any obstruction or malfunction can directly impact the engine's ability to perform optimally. Visible smoke from the exhaust pipe. Another indicator of exhaust system problems is the presence of visible smoke coming from the exhaust pipe. Different colored smoke can signify various issues with the engine or exhaust system. For example, blue smoke may indicate oil leaking into the combustion chamber, while black smoke can point to an excessively rich fuel mixture. In any case, visible smoke should prompt a thorough inspection of the exhaust system. By recognizing these signs of exhaust system problems, you can address potential issues early on and prevent further deterioration of your vehicle's power and performance. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to any abnormalities in your car's exhaust system can help ensure a smooth and efficient driving experience. Signs of electrical system malfunction. Dimming headlights. Dimming headlights could be an early sign of an electrical system issue in your car. If you notice that your headlights are not shining as brightly as they used to, it could indicate a problem with the alternator or the battery. The alternator may not be charging the battery properly, leading to insufficient power supply for the headlights. Dimming headlights can also be caused by loose wiring or a failing electrical component. Battery or charging warning light. When the battery or charging warning light on your dashboard comes on, it's a clear indication of a problem with the electrical system. This warning light typically indicates issues with the battery, alternator, or other related components. Ignoring this warning can lead to a dead battery and potential power loss, resulting in a breakdown. Electrical component failures. If you experience failures in various electrical components such as power windows, door locks, or the radio, it could be a sign of an underlying electrical system malfunction. These components rely on a properly functioning electrical system to operate, and any disruptions in power supply can cause them to malfunction. Pay attention to any unusual behavior of these components, as it could indicate an electrical issue in your car. If you've noticed any of these signs of your car losing power, it's important to address the issue promptly to prevent further damage. Ignoring these warning signals could lead to more costly repairs down the line. Whether it's a problem with the fuel system, ignition system, or other mechanical issues, getting your car checked by a professional mechanic is crucial in maintaining its performance and safety on the road. By staying attentive to these signs and taking proactive measures, you can ensure that your car maintains its power and efficiency for years to come. If you found these signs helpful or have any other vehicle-related queries, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow car enthusiasts. Subscribe to Easy Driver for more insightful content and stay ahead in your car care journey. Thank you for watching.